Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Karma Design. Today I'm doing a quick unboxing, unpackaging of this package. This is from my girlfriend Shelly in Pennsylvania. I have been looking on the Facebook groups for a while of all the people that are on the East Coast talking about a store called Ollies. I had never heard of it, I have never seen one, never been inside one. Don't know what they are, but she was talking about she was going to go shopping and she wanted to get some sticker books. And I said, hey, if you have an Ollies, they have these sticker books. They're like $2 each. And she said, I will have a look. She came back. She had a huge haul. If you want me to get you some, let me know and I'll get you some. And she did. So I've got some sticker books that were all $2 each. I love her. These should keep you busy for a while. Lol. Thanks again for the heads up at Ollies, Shelly. So Shelly has an Etsy store, and this is one of her cards. She has an Etsy store. She makes these and she will send you the physical product. She also has a website, celebratethelittleThings.com. I will link her Etsy store in the comments down below. I have a couple of her things, but look at that. It's adorable. But she will literally like personalize these as well for you. Like cards, notebooks, all kinds of things, and physical things, not just digital. So I got these 7 because I don't have these. Some of the others I already had and I didn't want to get any duplicates because I am not about that life anymore. I don't need duplicates. And again, these were all $1.99. I'm extremely jealous of the fact that they're $1.99. But these are mostly, I believe, older sticker books. 2017, 2018, 2019, 2018, 2017, 2017, and 2018. So let me just show you what I bought and honestly why. So the first one I've got is Floral Memories. You know that I like to do my project life, and I just thought that some of these could be nice in my project life, but also in planner spreads, and it's very colorful, which I like. These flowers I am loving, and I wanted to share. I have started to watercolor for the first time in, I want to say 15, 20 years. I am loving my watercolors. This is not watercolor paper, but I will be sharing some of this. I mean, that one there is beautiful. That one is beautiful. And that one is beautiful. Some of them, not so much. But I will be sharing other projects. But I thought these were beautiful. And I didn't really look online at the books, so I'm kind of looking at these blind. But pineapples and flamingos, oh, they're beautiful. Yes. These also, gold not so much, but these also remind me of another sticker book. I think this one is in the 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I think they're very like the 1, 2, 3, 4 book as well. I like that you get 2 sheets of those. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Why don't they do this with more of the books and give us like 5 sheets of florals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheets of florals there. Yes, please. Not so much. Interesting. Kind of. These are the big. Is this for the big? Doesn't say. But they will be fine in my project life or my dashboard. They would be great in my project life as well. So that's why I got this one, because it's colorful, I've got florals, and it will be great in my project life. Yes. All right, we've got neon lights. And, oh, I love these. Are they on paper? They're on paper as well. Flip, yes. 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 Loving the retro vibe. Got some silver foil rather than the gold. I love those. Love those. I like having silver rather than, and I like the fact that these are on paper. Normally when they do this, they put stupid things like this on clear for some reason. This is why I like a lot of the older books. They're a bit weird. So are they. They remind me of tattoos. Yes. Rainbow is one of the planner stash challenge themes for June. These might make an appearance. Got 2 pages of them. Yes. Yes. Loving these. Loving. Yes. Yes. Boss Babe. I've never seen this one either. Again, sometimes you just don't see them. These are interesting. I could use these in my business planner. This style reminds me of Planner Essentials. I like this kind of staggered effect that we've got going on here. Again, this is very Planner Essentials. I don't know if the color scheme is the same. I can't remember. These are interesting as like little calculator type things, but oops, Mr. Page. Yeah, these are very Planner Essentials. I think the color scheme's different. I don't know why those are on clear. Again, stupid things like that annoy me. Why are they on clear? Those are nice though. I like the little planners and the little envelopes as well. I like the color scheme as well, if I'm honest. Again, this is more for, I like those that say newsletter. Yes. This is more for businessy type things, but I like that quite a lot. Got Sassy Plans. This I have also never seen. Like a lot of these books, I have never seen. I've never seen them because, you know, you're lucky if you get ones in your area. And then they tend to be the same freaking ones for about 2 years. I really don't like this shape. I will be doing a full video at some point on how to use these suckers. How to use these suckers. I don't like them. I have got 3 pages there. Ooh, that's out of one of their student books. I like these because they're sassy. Because they're sassy. Laundry today or naked tomorrow. Yes. Oh, I like it that they're all sassy quotes. I'm a sucker for puns. I like the donuts. And silver. Yes. These are all from the student book in the same year. This is the thing with like Happy Planner. They tend to recycle the same kind of things. Called my mom, lazy day, did what I wanted. Yeah. Adulted like a boss. Again, like those are in the Planner Essentials. Those are in the other book that we just had, The Boss Babe. They just recycle things. Don't really like, oh, swearing helps. Yes, it does. And then we've got a different foil altogether there. That's like that rose gold. Don't know why we have to have 2 types of foil in the same book. I love that. That is exactly the same one, and this, that's in one of the student books. Again, they recycle things, which is fine, but can you at least change? That is from, I want to say either Glam Girl or Socialite or something along those lines. So far, that's my least favorite. So far, that's my least favorite. This is Choose Happy. I think this is going to be like a color story type one, maybe. So we've got floral stuff. This is like horizontals. That's beautiful. Those are beautiful. And you get 2 pages. Yes, yes, yes. Nice. I don't know why I need a full page of weekend stickers. Can't even. More weekend. I don't know how many weekends they think we need. Oh my god, it's got the weird holographic stuff in it. It's not silver, it's hollow. but it's a sparkly hollow, which is even weirder. Even weirder. But again, these could be used in my project life. Oh yes, some nice big quotes. I like big quotes. Love those. See, that's what you need a full page of. To-do list. It's better than today, but not as good as this week. But to-do list. Some more big quotes. Some kind of square boxes. Again, with this weird silver, not hollow, not silver stuff. Yes, I like how none of these say today on them. Because why we've got another freaking gold. Oh, we've got a different style. So we've got like the floral stuff. Yeah, there's a couple of different styles. So it is kind of like a color story where you've got like different themes, like 3 or 4 different themes in the same book. This reminds me of a book and I can't think what it is. Please feel free to fill it in here. But yeah, is it, no. It was on the tip of my tongue and I just can't think of it. But fill it in if you know which one it is. C'est la vie. Oh my God. There's a sheet of stickers that I'm never going to use, but those are beautiful. Those are beautiful. Those are the same but with foil. These are like for the mini, but I use them in any, it doesn't matter. I don't know why those are there and not with the other stuff, but that is a yes. Gold Star quotes. Rini has talked about this one a lot and I'm already like loving this color scheme because it's bright. Oh yes, because it's bright and it's colorful and it's a yes from me. Oh yes. Yes. Oh yes, yes. 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 Oh my God, yes. Oh no. No, no. Yes. I don't know why these are unclear. That's weird. Again, why are they unclear? Why are these unclear? That makes no sense. These make sense unclear. I don't know. Those are nice actually. I like those. 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 Yes. Yes. Oh, quite like this book. I like how they're all like holiday themed. This one makes sense. I have the other one, the other quotes book. I don't know when that one was from. I think it was from 2016. And they're mostly stuff like this with quotes on boxes. I like that this is quotes, just clear quotes. I like that one quite a lot. And then we have wellness because, you know, health and wellness. This is pretty. I like the color scheme so far. Reminds me of You to Shine for some reason. Yes, I like that these are all like colors schemed together. I mean, we've got the foil. And no, it's not Year to Shine. Free Spirit, the pastel version. It's probably the same year. But yeah, the pastel version as well, a Free Spirit. So it's probably the same year and they probably go together. We've got foil. I would cut that off. I like those trackers. They're interesting as monthly trackers. Yeah, those are definitely like Free Spirit and Year to Shine. Maybe that's both. Yes, yoga. Meditate. I like those. I like that they're in black as well. Light a candle, massage, face mask, early bedtime, sleep in, unplug, stretch. Yes. Those are nice. Those are nice. Flip me. That is fantastic. Oh, heck yes. Why did they get away from doing things like this? Why have they gone all weird with some of their stickers? This is why I like the older ones. The older ones are better, in my opinion. No screen time. Stretch. Wake up early. Me time. Yes. That's a page that's upside down. I don't quite know why, but what else? I don't really like these so much because I like to decide where I want to put them. I wouldn't use these in my wellness planner, but I could use them in some other planner. Those are nice. I like that. Yes. 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 All right, that is my little haul of 7 sticker books for $14, literally $2 each. Unbelievable. Like, and I did hear that there are some appearing in Dollar Tree as well. I don't know which ones those are, but yes, check out Ollies and Dollar Tree if you have one nearby for some bargains. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye! And don't forget to check out Shelley's store in the description below.